So we are out at Timmy's again. We're finally doing BMW stuff, and right where I left it.
The front bar.
Yes.
It's doing like 30 or 40 k's an hour. I'll pull it out that way and then
She's looking as beautiful as ever.
Yeah, wow. It's in real life, not that stable.
No expense spared, $350 coilovers. They seem alright.
we're nothing but the best we're doing. This one, because I was like, I'm just going to buy more feedback. He said, no, I'll get a week, so I'm going to get them cheap. I was like, yeah, but look, if there's anything goes wrong, I'm going to have to test you, right?
$40 delivered. eBay. It's got to be brilliant. I have no idea how any of this works. So with the lock nuts, they're actually meant to have like a certain socket that you put on them because they're a lock-in mechanism. Oh, meant to stop people from stealing your car. So we don't have that, so we're just hammering them on really hard. Voila. I'm stealing your wheels. That is stuck on there.
Sound a bit like my turbo right now.
Oops. Penetrating oil. Should hopefully fix our woes. Get it in there nice and deep like. Oops. I want to kill myself. Dick style. So yeah, while we're waiting for the penetrating oil to penetrate, we were going to replace the fuel pump module, as Dave corrected me. Thank you. Yeah. So I just got to pull all this out, sweat my balls off, And then hopefully it all bolts in.
Fuck yeah!
What's up? What's up?
Oh, there it is.
Quality. Rattle gun, everything. So we've adjusted these to as low as they go. Standard versus lowered. So because we put in heaps shorter springs in, these are a lot more suitable. So it should actually have some travel and handle nice, maybe.
Still seen better days, eh? Like a $10 Aldi drill.
So wire brushing that, so hopefully my wheels don't get stuck on again, because that will be terrible. But anyway, so we have rear coilovers in. Shiny. More shiny. So yeah, we're just going to do the fronts now. I think we're running out of day to actually weld the diff, so Timmy's going to take that into work day this week.
This week? Yeah, this week, yeah.
Yeah, good. Timmy's going to take it in this week and he's going to do it on the hoist at his shop. So then hopefully we can have it doing burnouts in a couple of weekends. Matsuru's on next weekend, so we're not going to be able to do much then. So yeah, now we're just going to do front wheel bearing and front coilovers. Wow, I'm dirty. Shiny. Yes, that's definitely me done for the day. We got coilovers in and didn't really do much other than that, so that's like a whole day of just getting dirty and sweaty for nothing. What else did we do?
That's pretty much it. We didn't really do much else. Oh, I attempted the fuel pump. Didn't really happen.
No.
That's more...
We tried.
Parts kind of thing.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah, Timmy's going to take it to his shop and kind of finish off the other little bits that we need to do. Like he's going to put it on the hoist, weld the diff.
Rewire the fuel pump.
And then, yeah, rewire the fuel pump.
Yep.
Clean
it. Because it's dirty as fuck.
Yeah, probably pressure clean it. It's real dirty. And then we're going to do a burnout in it.
Probably my favourite part.
Hopefully. I love burnouts.
Hopefully don't break it.
No, we can break it. That'll be great.
Kind of make it funner, really.
Yeah, exactly. I'm all about that. Alright, well, Matsuru's on next weekend, so there'll be a Matsuru video coming next week, and then probably BMW stuff again after that. So you can all stop hassling me in the fucking comments about the BMW.